In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change your LinkedIn password. Let's get started. First, launch your LinkedIn app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left, you're going to find your profile icon. Click on that. Now click on the option Settings. Now here you're going to find different option. Head over to the option Sign-in and Security. Now in this page, you're going to find the option of Change Password. Click on that. Now type in your current password. Go ahead and type in the new password. Retype in your new password. Then you can check in for the option Require all devices to sign in with new password. In case you have forgotten your current password, you can click on this option Forget Password to recover it. Once you are done, click on Save Password. With that, your new password will be updated. So this is how you can easily change password on your LinkedIn account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.